Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is triangle. So in the previous video we have discussed about the lines and angles, right, and different type of angles. Now we are moving to next topic, that is triangle. So first one is the definition. What do you mean by the triangle? Simply, a triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segment, as the word indicates. Tri. So a triangle is a simple closed figure or curve formed by the three line segment. So all these are the triangles, right? Now let us discuss about the parts of the triangles. So first of all we will discuss about the vertex. So what is the meaning of a vertex? A vertex in a closed figure is a point at which two line segments meet. So let us see here. First of all, these are two line segment. This one and this one. So these two line segment meets at this point. Let us mark this point. Similarly, these two line segment, this one and this one, these two line segment meet at this point. So let us mark this point. Similarly for these two line segment. So all these 3 points are known as the vertex, because according to the definition of a vertex is a point at which two line segments meet. So let us just denote the vertex. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we have three vertices. Whose names are as follows: A, B, and C. So this is our triangle, and we will represent the triangle ABC as this triangle ABC. So we have used this symbol of triangle, so that instead of writing down again and again ABC triangle, we will just represent it with the help of this symbol, that is triangle. Now the question arises, can we change the order of this name, that is triangle BAC or triangle CAB? Yes, we can change the order, that is we can name this triangle as this, but always try to write down the name of the triangle in the alphabetically order, like triangle ABC. It's not mandatory, but it's a simple advice. Now let's come about the sides of the triangle. That means, what are the sides of the triangle? Name them. So this is our triangle. So there are three sides. First one, second one, and this is third one. Right? So a triangle has three sides, or it is more clear by the definition, that is it is formed by the three line segment. So what are the sides of the triangle? This AB, second side AC, third side BC. So there are three sides in a triangle. Now come about the angles. What are the angles? So we have done the definition of angles in our previous video, that is the angle is an measure of inclination between two line segment. Means an angle is formed between two line segment. AB and BC are two line segment. So this angle, this is the first angle. AB and AC two line segments, and this is our second angle. Similarly, AC line segment and BC line segment meet at point C. So at C a angle will be formed like this. So how many angles are there? Three angles, which are named as angle A, angle B, and angle C. So these are the vertices, ABC sides, AB, AC and BC. Angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, so now let's discuss about one another thing, that is the opposite side to a vertex. See that bacha, this is the vertex A and the side which is opposite to A, this is BC. A side which is opposite to A is BC. Similarly, a side which is opposite to B, B के opposite कौन सी है? C here. Yes, this is AC. Similarly, the side which is opposite to the vertex C, this is the vertex C. A side which is opposite, here we go, that is AB. So we have discussed about the sides opposite to each vertex. Now let's discuss about the properties of triangle. We have studied what is triangle, how many vertices, how many sides and how many angles does a triangle have. Now let's study about the properties of triangle. So the first property is related to the angles of triangle. So the property name is angle sum property. Angle sum property states that the sum of three angles, we know that there are three angles in any triangle, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means angles के तीनों triangle के तीनों angles का sum क्या होगा? 180 degree. For example, if we consider this, in this angles are angle A, angle B and angle C, and according to this property their sum will be 180 degree. This is what the property says. Now let us look at one example. Suppose you have this triangle and the measure of angles are given like 60 degree, 50 degree and this X. Means suppose this is our triangle PQR in which the two angles are given and we have to find out the third angle, that is angle R. So we will use this property. How we can use this property? So according to this property, sum of three angles are angle P, angle Q and angle R. According to this property, their sum, mark the word sum properly, their sum is 180 degree. So angle P is of measure 60 degree, angle Q is of measure 50 degree and angle R is X. Now this is what we got, a linear equation. We have to solve this. 60 plus 50, 110 degree plus X is equals to 180 degree and X is equals to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So with the help of this property we have find out the unknown angle of this triangle. Now let us look at one other property, that is exterior angle and its relation with interior opposite angle. First of all we will know about the interior angles. So बच्चा the angles which are inside of a triangle, जो भी angles triangle के अंदर होंगे interior, that angles will be known as the interior angle and exterior angle जो triangle के बाहर होंगे. Now the question arises, how we can make a angle exterior to a triangle. So for making an exterior angle we will extend any of its side. For example, if you have any triangle ABC and you want to have a exterior angle, suppose I produce BC, extend BC up to this point D. So this ACD angle will be known as the exterior angle and all these angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C are interior angles since they are inside of a triangle. Now what does this property states? This property states that an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Mark the word opposite. एक्सटीरियर एंगल दो अपोजिट एंगल के सम के इक्वल होगा. लेट अस जस्ट लुक दिस फिगर. एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज एंगल ACD. According to this property, it is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So we have to identify which are interior opposite angle. See that bacha, there are three interior angles. Angle C is not opposite to angle ACD. So angle A and angle B, these angles are opposite to angle ACD. That is, angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. That is, exterior angle is equals to the sum of interior opposite angles. These two properties are very important. That's why I have discussed this in this video. So practice the questions related to these property. In the next video we will discuss about the types of triangles. Okay, so do the questions properly, and if you have any doubt, I am here for you. You can ask your doubts. So thank you very much. This is all for today.